SHAKER Spin Master Monster Jam Series 15. The other trucks in this series is Hurricane Force in the Elemental trucks, Avenger World Finals. Then we got El Toro Loco Legacy trucks, Son of a Digger and Boneyard trucks, Grave Digger the Legend and Retro Rebels, Northern Nightmare and Universe trucks, Thunder 4x4 and Forces of Nature, and then Maximum Destruction and Retro Rebels. So let's go ahead and unbox Earthshaker that is in the chase piece of the ride trucks. Let me get out the wristband. Just a normal wristband, has the monsterjam.com and the Monster Jam symbol on it. It would have been nice for each of these to have its own name of the truck on the wristband, but of course that would be more printing for them to do. But I think that would have been one cool thing to do. Here is the poster for this series, and we get a nice poster of Avenger at the Monster Jam World Finals 20. On to now Earthshaker in the ride truck. Check a look. Take a look at this piece. We got those BKT tires, but they don't get the white lettering. Would have been nice. Would you take a ride in the back of an Earthshaker Monster Jam truck? Or would you go with Gravedigger, Megalodon, or the BKT ride truck? Of course, each ride truck has that unique chassis. This has been the best year, so to speak, with getting the ride trucks. So in a moment, I'm going to show you which ones I already have. In the back then, it's pretty cool how they have the ladders lifted up. Also, there is the seats inside in the back there of Earthshaker. So far, I got Earthshaker. There's Gravedigger, then Megalodon. If you haven't seen these yet, you probably already have. And I also have the BKT ride truck. Now the other two that I'm missing so far in this series is El Toro Loco and Blue Thunder. Because of COVID, they pushed some of what was supposed to be in 2020 into 2021. But this has been the best that I have ever gotten the chase pieces, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully that happens to other people as well. It would be nice if everyone had a chance to get the chase pieces. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the ride truck of Earthshaker.